Welcome back. Today, I am giving this stunning gold minimalist texture painting a companion. I just absolutely love the various textures and the materials used in this piece, along with all the shimmery and shiny bits. So we're going to use the same materials, just in a different way. So let's go ahead and get going. Okay, so let's just take a look at the first one here. Much thicker crackle paste and a lot less of the palette knife on this one, and the upper portion is more present. Here, I did the opposite and did a lot more of the palette knife patterns, much thicker with the gel gloss, and it's absolutely stunning. Change the pattern to give it more of a curve and flow. You'll notice here that the crackle paste is much smaller or tiny than the other one. Again, creating variation and cohesiveness, but not wanting it to look exactly the same. And then up here, a little bit more of the crackle paste, and then the overspray up top with a little bit less of the white, but you can still see that beautiful gloss shining through, which of course I love. I love this set. I'm thinking about keeping it for myself, but if I do sell it, I will post it and let you guys know. And I'm really happy how these turned out. So if you guys love these pieces, please go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. It is all free, and that way you don't miss a video, and it really also helps the channel. So stay tuned for the quick close-up, and I'll see you all in the next painting.